Only belly beef and no one, it's in a one. Hey, now all of the leisure. I want to send me here. My guy. What did I saw? Which one is sending message? Come back.
Papa, who come girl? Now I know say na that hookup wey they do, now they make your head dey big like that. See, I dey for your life, you no gonna even know wetin be mechanic. For all this nonsense wey dey talk, if you talk and finish, go marry wheelbarrow pusher, idiot.
I don't understand. Wait, make I call pretty fresh first. You say this girl. Hello, pretty fresh. Hold your morning first. Hold your morning. There's nothing good about the morning. Just calm down. I want to ask you a question. I beg you. Now hookup we dey do for school. Abi you dey read which one? No stress me. Now common question I ask you. No run around the bush. Just answer my question. Did I send you to school to go and start to do hookup? Abi make you read, make you help your future? Which one?
You think say they wise?
No, don't bother me. Don't bother me. Answer my question. Are you into hookup or you are there for your future? Because there's a reason I'm asking you this question. Oh yeah, calm down. Just calm down. Hold on. Let me play this voice note for you. Hold on first. Hold on. No. No man, no matter kita. Only your pastor. Man, I'm not checking in her car. Man, calm down. Oh yeah, listen.
Papa, who come girl? Now I know say na that hookup wey they do, now they make your head dey big like that. See, I dey for your life, you no gonna even know wetin be mechanic. For all this nonsense wey dey talk, if you talk and finish, go marry wheelbarrow pusher, idiot.
Okay, sure you don't hear am now. Nah. So after all the money wey they spend, they pay your school fees, they make sure you chop well for hostel, even pay for your hostel this thing. You can't be your body hook up clean name. You know say I got access to your WhatsApp. So you choose to do hook up, Abi? After everything what they do for you, now hook up you choose. Hi, pretty, who do you this thing? So after paying for your school fees, I dey sweat every day and night just to pay for your school fees. After paying your school fees, I'm read the school fees. Hi, you are a disgrace to human life. You are a disgrace to sisterhood. In fact, hold on, wait. I want to ask you. Who tell mama say boostman 2 na for headache?
Jesus.
I say who tell mama say boostman 2 na for headache? No. Because you dey one day where I know where. So mama go carry something like that come give me. I go ask her, mama, which kind of drug you give me like this? He tell me say na from purse where he take carry where you see the thing. I say okay, bring the thing my Sam. As mama carry the thing come, I come see na boostman 2 be that too. I come ask am who tell am say na boostman 2 na for headache. He tell me say na you talk am. So after this is what they do. After you don't do a finish, you go take boostman 2. After you go to tell mama say boostman 2 na headache drug. See, I want to tell you something. If anything happen to my stomach, since that day I never understand my stomach again. If anything happen to me, this compound will not contain 2 of us. I don't talk my own finish. Idiot. If you like, no help your life.
Guy, you go.